Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to your week 1 quiz. My name is Mrs. Force, and each week you will have one of the U.S. history teachers reading the questions and answer options for you for your quizzes. Make sure that as you answer, a check appears over here that it has saved. And when you're finished, that you at the end click Submit Quiz. You can pause this at any time to be able to answer your questions and take the time you need. And if at any point you have any concerns, reach out to your U.S. history teacher. Question 1. Fill in the blank. Blank are documents provided to you at the start of each week that will help you prepare to take your weekly quiz and quarter test. They will include questions to answer about important topics from that week's content. Is it quizzes, U.S. history assistance documents, study guides, or quiz answer sheets? Number 2. What is the name of the online textbook for U.S. history? The Story of the Great United States, The American Odyssey, There Is No Textbook for U.S. History, The U.S. and You History Comes Alive. Question number 3. How do you know what work to complete in U.S. history each week? Check the to-do list in the course announcements area. Review your class plan area. Weekly folders in content area. Or all of the above. Question 4. Which statement best describes the late assignments policy for U.S. history? All work must be submitted on the day it is due. No assignments will be accepted after the original due date. All work will be open all year for submission. All work will be open until the last day of the quarter. All weekly assignments will be locked on the second Sunday following their due date. Question 5. How many times can you retake a quiz without contacting your teacher? 0 times. You must contact your teacher each time you want to retake it. As many times as you would like. Each quiz has unlimited retakes. 1 retake. You have a first attempt and a second attempt, which is your retake. Quizzes will not be reset for a 3rd attempt. 4 times, as long as each retake is completed within 24 hours of the previous attempt. Question 6. Which of the following is an example of a primary source? Wikipedia, a letter from a soldier during Revolutionary War to his family, a magazine article about the daily lives of the Revolutionary War soldier written in 2005, or Google. Question 7 is matching. I'll first read the definitions and then I'll read the answer choices. The author presents the information in the resource to share knowledge and has no hidden agenda to alter the information to present a specific point of view. The author of the resource knows what they are talking about and have the experience to back it up. The resource has recently published or dated. The information in the resource can be confirmed by other reliable resources. And your answer options are authoritative, unbiased, current, or accurate. So next to each definition, choose the number for the correct word. Question number 8. Why are citations used in research? to find information and identify who created it. It is something they make us do in school. To give credit to the people whose thoughts you are using as well as your own. A and C. When you're finished, again, make sure that you have check marks in each of these areas, that the questions have been answered and are saved, and then click Submit Quiz. Verify that the grade reports into your gradebook, and if you do have any questions or concerns, reach out to your U.S. history teacher. Good luck!